جاوید کلیار پریزیڈنٹ جج ایسوسی
coming by. It's a very honor to have Madam visiting us today. And sorry, is that okay? Sorry about that. This, as Saab said, this event has been organized by the Judge Association of Canada in conjunction with Mr. Jata and the rest of our members. There are many objectives of our Judge Association, right? But one and the most important one is the consensus among our group. Regardless of our background, where we're from, Mississauga, Mountain View, whatever, we all have decided to endorse you, Madam. Right? And not only us, obviously, we are a very strong community. We will go back, okay, to our families, close associate, friends, acquaintance, and we'll ensure that they all get out on the 24th and vote for you. Thank you very much.